Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Samsung Frame TV. First, carefully unbox your new television and all its components. You'll find the display, the One Connect box, and the invisible connection cable. Next, decide on the perfect spot for your TV. Whether you're wall mounting or using the stand, consider the viewing angle and room aesthetics. Ensure there's adequate space for air circulation, about 4 inches around the back, to prevent overheating and ensure longevity for your beautiful new display. Now let's connect the heart of your Frame TV, the One Connect box. This clever box keeps all your cables tidy. Take the invisible connection cable and securely plug one end into the TV and the other into the One Connect box. Then, connect all your external devices, like your soundbar, gaming console, or Blu-ray player, directly into the One Connect box. Remember to plug in the power cable last. Position the One Connect box somewhere easily accessible but out of sight, perhaps in a cabinet or on a shelf. With everything connected, it's time to power on your Frame TV for the first time. Plug the One Connect box into a power outlet, and your TV should spring to life. Follow the simple on-screen instructions to select your language, region, and agree to the terms and conditions. Next, connect your television to your home's Wi-Fi network to unlock all its smart features. You'll also be prompted to log in to your Samsung account, or create one, to personalize your experience and access the App Store. Finally, let's dive into what makes the Frame truly unique: Art Mode. Once your TV is set up, you can transform it into a beautiful piece of art when it's off. Browse the extensive collection of artwork, from classic masterpieces to modern photography. You can even upload your own photos. Experiment with different matting options and brightness settings to perfectly blend the art into your room's decor. Your Frame TV is now ready to be enjoyed, offering both stunning entertainment and elegant art display.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.